Hey guys, so today we are going to be unboxing this MacBook Pro right here. The model we have here has 16GB of RAM and a 512GB SSD. It's also the space gray version. The new M1 Macs have been showing exceptional performance, and they have really been exceeding expectations from consumers around the world. I'm going to be doing a full review on the M1 Macs later this week, so stay tuned for that by subscribing to this channel and turning on the notification bell. The MacBook Pro comes with a 61-watt brick with a USB-C to USB-C charging cable. Like any other Apple product, it also comes with 2 Apple stickers. So let's start setting up the MacBook. It's pretty nice to see Apple implementing more accessible features into the MacBook for people with disabilities. To make better use of their MacBook. Hey Siri. Hey Siri, open the documents folder. Hey Siri, show my downloads. Hey Siri, what's the weather like? Hey Siri, what does the rest of my day look like? The setup process is pretty simple and concise. You also have the option to migrate your data from either your old Windows PC or your older Mac. If you like this video, make sure to like it, and if you want more videos like this, make sure to subscribe.